Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3 is installed and your editor is ready. Open the project folder and create a main. Py file so you have a single entry point. Next, write a brief plan, what inputs you need, how you will process them, and what output to show. Once done, write top-line comments for functions and the main steps. Make sure to save often and run Python main. Py to see immediate syntax errors. You now implement the program's core, break features into functions, and explain each with a one-line docstring. Start with input parsing, then the processing logic, and finally the output formatter. Use clear variable names so you can read code later, for example, total score instead of X. Add simple inline tests or run example inputs to validate edge cases. Once a section works, refactor for clarity, and you finish by polishing prompts, handling bad user inputs, and adding simple unit tests or manual cases. Run through at least 5 realistic examples to confirm behavior. Then add comments and a README with how to run Python main. Py. If something breaks, first inspect indentation and variable names. Most errors are simple typos. If imports fail, ensure files are in the same folder or adjust Python path. Finally, run a lint tool and commit your code with a clear message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.